Hello guys, standard 7, chapter number 10, transport of substances. Let's solve the revision sheet. Guys, here just mark in your revision sheet, no need to write the question answer and fill up some MCQ or true or false anything in your notebook. Just write it down in revision sheet. Here question answers is given in textbook, no need to write in revision sheet also, just learn it. So here first one is organisms in which transport of nutrients occurs by diffusion. So it is done, diffusion process is done in amoeba and paramecium. Second, these blood cells are the body's primary defense against infection. So it is white blood cell. Third one, these blood cells are disc shaped and contain hemoglobin. So it is red blood cell. Fourth, the chamber of the heart that receives deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. So this chamber is called as right atrium A. Now question number 5. The thick white fluid stored in papaya as waste material, this is called as latex. Now true and false. First one, latex are group of waste found in the stem of conifers. So it is false. Here is resins. Second, sweat gland on the base of the skin act as an excretory organ. So it is true. Third one, in amoeba, xylem and phloem act as the transporting medium. It is false because germ and phloem both are present in plants, not in animals. Fourth one, transportation of nutrients in unicellular organism occurs through diffusion. It is true. Unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium or plasmodium. Fifth one, urine is passed out from the body through water. So it is false because urine is passed out from the body through urethra, not ureter. Here question was 5, that means urine is passed out from the body through ureter. It is not water, right? So it is organ, that is not ureter, but write down urethra. Now guys, matching. First one is heart. It is one type of the pumping organ, that means 2. Second is resin. It is stems of conifer, 1. Third one, urethra, so by which urine will be excreted. So answer is 5. Now amoeba. So it is unicellular organism. Now fifth one, it is transcollation. So this process is done by phloem. That means answer is 4 number. Now give 2 examples. So first one, chambers of heart. Write down any 2. Right atrium and left ventricle. Second, blood cells. So write down red blood cells and white blood cells or platelets. Third one, wastes of plants. Write down then resin, latex or gums. Fourth one, vascular tissue in plants. So it is xylem and phloem. Fifth one, parts of the human circulatory system. So it is heart, blood vessels. Write down any two. Now name the following. First one, tubes that carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. So it is ureter. Second, the part of the veins that stops the backflow of blood to organ. So it is valve, which is present in heart. Here valve is also present in veins, right? It is also helpful to stop the flow of blood back, right? The same thing is present in heart also. Third one, the procedure used for cleaning the blood for a person by separating the waste substance from it. So this process, that means which is helpful to purify water, it is called as dialysis process. And it is also helpful for the kidney failure. Now fourth one, blood vessels that connect arteries to veins. So it is called as capillaries. Now fifth one, instrument used to hear the heartbeat, it is called as stethoscope, right? Okay guys, these were the Phillips MCQ true false. Whatever short and long question answers are here, just learn it, no need to write anywhere.